Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above our key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark. We are also trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02348 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you the fundamental analysis that I'm expecting today, where here on the Forex factory you can see that we have the CPI data which is coming out today just in a few hours. And as a result of the CPI data, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market, and there are high chances that once we see the CPI data come out being positive to the market, there are high chances that you're going to see a lot of volatility to push the market even higher to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you my target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02583 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And you can see that yesterday we saw a bit of a pump to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02544 mark, which is so close to our target area in the formation of that wave 3. And there are high chances that in case the CPI data comes out to be positive to the market, we are going to see that massive pump fully maximize our target area. And since at the time of this recording we are also holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here, which lies at around the $0.02348 mark, that is the first confirmation that we are in the formation of this wave 3, and all we need is just that volatility to push the market higher and just fully maximize our target areas. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Vechain chart, and also giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. You can see that here on the chart I have this higher Elliott wave count 2, which is right here, which is giving me the long-term scenarios where we bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 within this blue target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, we also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And as a result of this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this wave 3, that's how I'm able to come up with the short-term scenarios here on the Vechain chart, where you can see after seeing our low in this blue target area in this higher Elliott wave count 2, we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us the high for that first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3, which is a micro Elliott wave count within the formation of the higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, we are also seeing another micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where I'm expecting the formation of the wave 5 to give us the high for that wave 3 and also fully maximize our target areas. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.